Once it starts rallying, every down close candle or series of down close candles, if there's ever a series of down close candles, you use that entire block of down close candles as one, because it's delivery that you're looking at, not just simply one candle. One candle does not make a narrative. One candle doesn't make a order block. It's this change in the state of delivery that is the order block. What do I mean by that? Let's dig into this. 3 down close candles. That opening price right there. That candle's opening price. You're gonna look at this value right here, okay? Look up here in the upper left-hand corner where I'm pointing as the open. That price is 4145.75. As soon as that price is traded to and one tick above it, that becomes an order block. So young men and young women, please stop making videos pretending you're teaching order blocks, because you have no idea what the hell you're talking about. This change in the state of delivery right there, once this occurs on that candle, this opening price becomes fair value. That means that the market, when it trades through it here, it's going to want to do what? Offer smart money, the traders that some of you don't believe exist. And when it comes back down and touches that, they're buying it. When it trades on this candle here and trades and goes down to it again, they're buying it. Their algorithm, which is high frequency, and it's hammering, constantly hammering the market at these price points. They're buying it here, they're buying it here, they're buying it here, and they're buying it here. Every single time we leave a down close candle, they're watching their positions move into profit. Every time that we see a new change in the state of delivery, it's offering them another opportunity to build their position and build it larger.